Hello my friends and welcome back to my MyiDevice YouTube channel. Are you frustrated with this error server is busy? In PUBG Mobile, you are not alone. In this video I will show you proven method to fix this issue and get back to the game as always. Whether it's a server problem, region lock or network issue, I have a solution for you. Stick around till the end for the best fixes and work streak for PUBG Mobile. Let's jump right in. Now we are on the first chapter, which is made for iOS user. So for the first step, get your iPhone and go to your App Store. Now go to search tab and try to search for WireGuard. As you can see here, WireGuard, and tap on search. Now on the results, you will find the WireGuard app here guys with the red icon. So tap on the get to download it. Double tap on the power button and wait, and as we are wait for the app guys to download completely. Just take a couple of the seconds and after that close your App Store. Now in the next step we will open our Telegram Messenger to download config for WireGuard. So this is so important to subscribe the Telegram channel. Now swipe down and try to search on the search bar save messages. And here we are on the save messages chat and type at MyiDevice1. As you can see, just tap here and tap on the ID and you will link to my Telegram channel. So here as you can see the last post is about config for PUBG player. Now guys tap here to download the config file and then tap on the file, and here just tap on the share icon and again tap on the share icon and try to save the config to your iPhone. Just tap here on save to files and make a new folder, and for example I will try to make a folder with this name, config for PUBG, for example number 3, and just tap on the folder and try to save your config file. As you can see, just tap on the save and here you have a config file on your iPhone. Now go to WireGuard and try to import this config file. Just tap on the WireGuard which we downloaded before, and here you will see the plus icon. Just tap on add a tunnel or plus icon. After that you have 3 options which we need. Just tap on the first option, create from file, and now try to find your file and tap the config file which you downloaded before on Telegram channel. So here just tap on your config file and just tap on allow and give access to your config file to be open on your device, and just tap here on the toggle to turn it off or turn it on, and just turn on now and just minimize the WireGuard, and we will go to the PUBG Mobile to test this config is works or not. Just wait a couple of the seconds guys to see the results, and as you can see here is the loading. Just wait, and that's it guys. As you can see I could go to the PUBG Mobile game easily, and this is one of the again great ways to go to the PUBG without get any problem or any error. I mean server is busy error, and that's it. As you can see guys, I'm on the lobby. Let me start the Livic map to test the ping for you. Just wait and see. Let me add some speed to the video, and that's it guys. As you can see I'm on the game. My ping is about 100, which is not bad, and actually my internet provider is not good, while I will get actually lower ping which is so great for you. Now as you can see guys, I'm playing PUBG Mobile easily without any lag or problem, and this video is the last one and new because some of the guy got the problem and texted me on the Telegram and told me we have a problem here. Now guys, we will go to the second chapter, which is made for Android user, which is so easy. Just you can even continue by iOS tutorial always, and we'll go by the second chapter, which is made for Android user. So just keeping watch on the video and follow me. Now we are on the second chapter of this video, which is made for Android user. So I want you to be patient and watch the video till the end to solve your problem. Now it's time to download WireGuard, which we will actually use it to turn on our config to enter to the PUBG Mobile game without any problem. So we have two ways to download WireGuard. First one, open up your Google Chrome or another browser and then search for WireGuard in APK mirror site. So easy my friends, just go to the search, Google search, and search for APK mirror as you can see, and then click on the first website and you will find the APK mirror site here. Just click on the agree and search for the WireGuard on the search bar. And when you actually go to the search result, you will see the WireGuard. The last version is about 1.0, and here just tap here, and after that next page you will find the download link. Just verify you are human and go to the next, and here you have an option to download WireGuard on your devices. Just as you can see, this is the button to download the WireGuard, but I personally prefer to download it from the Play Store. So go to your Play Store, search for WireGuard, and then on the result page you will find the WireGuard here. So as you can see on the search bar, WireGuard, and the app we need is with the red icon WireGuard. Just tap on install and install it on your device. The size of app is too low, so you will download it very soon. So just after the download is completed, close the Play Store and go to your home screen. Now in the next step, we will download some config from my Telegram channel to open up them on your WireGuard and then connect to them, and next time open up your PUBG Mobile without any problem and any trouble. So go to search tab and type save, and you will find saved messages. Now on the message try to type @MyiDevice1 as you can see and enter. Now as you can see guys, you are on the MyiDevice Telegram channel, and here you will see the last post, which is about config for PUBG Mobile player. Just tap here and download the config, and just tap on the save to your download folder. Just actually guys, try to download the config file, and then if you have VPN, just try to disconnect it, and after that go to your WireGuard and try to open up your WireGuard, and then import this config file to your WireGuard and turn it on. Just follow the video, I will explain to you. Just here on the menu, tap on your WireGuard, and then just tap here on the plus and go to your download folder which you downloaded WireGuard config on your device. Just here tap on import from file or archive, and now just tap on the config file. Just tap here, find your config file, and here as you can see guys, we have a config file here, and just tap on the toggle and try to turn it on. This is so easy guys, you don't need to buy any app or in purchase app. Just try to turn on your config file on WireGuard, and then I will try to open up the PUBG Mobile and show you the results. Just wait a couple of the seconds and we will see with each other the result, which is so great. And be patient guys, I will release the second video maybe tomorrow or 2 days later after this video, and I will try to make a video with new DNS, which is so great. And again, another great video for you. I need you guys to support me, and don't forget always to support this channel. This is yours channel. Just wait a couple of the seconds and that's it guys. As you can see, we are on the lobby, which means this config file works even for PUBG Mobile these days. That's it guys. As you can see, the config file worked to open up the PUBG Mobile without get server is busy error, which is so great for Android user. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helped you fix PUBG Mobile server is busy issue and get back in the game. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and leave a comment with your questions or other fixes you have tried. See you in the next video and happy gaming.